not the only thing that's up. I'll tell you what's up. It's dick.
Too many zigzags. Oh, hold on a second. Are you ready? Stand by. If you finish, unload show clear. Are you ready? Stand by. If you finish, unload show clear. Slide down, trigger, hold stick. Range.
I fucking suck with my carry gun, so I'm definitely gonna get killed in the streets.
It's dead in the streets.
Are you ready? Stand by. Finish, unload, show clear. Slide down, trigger. Are you ready? Stand by. Top. Out. Over. Nice. If you finish, unload, show. Knock if you're ready.
Are you ready? Stand by. If you finish on low and show clear.
Are you ready? Stand by. Very nice. If you finish, unload show. Slide down. Very good. Hold stick. Range clear.
You blend in with the wall there. So camouflage, so cool. So hot.
Are you ready? Stand by. If you finish that upside down, trigger, holster. Finish our little choke clear.
Are you ready? Stand by. If you finish, blow and show clear. Clear. Hammer down.
So Spalding hit me in the mustache.
Clear. Time 2, 6, 8, 0.
Nice. Thank you. It's a good one. You got all of them.
Hey, thanks, man. This Spalding hit me in the mustache.
Oh, you're welcome. That was for you.
And you beat both of us.
Nice.
I beat my dick too.
Nice.
That was a good run.
Thanks, brother. Are you ready? Stand by. Over! Bottom! Top!
Oh, that's a dick.
God damn it.
Top! Bottom! Over! If you finish on those sockets, slide down, trigger, holster.
Crema.
I like crema. On your coffee, you get that little crema.
Are you ready?
Yeah, that's right.
Are you ready? Stand by. Top. Bottom. Over. If you finish that little choke clear, slide.
If I was a rich girl.
15 penalties.
Okay, good. Give me more. Give me more. Increase it. More.
Are you ready? Stand by. Over.
Bullshit.
Top. Bottom. Over. If you finish our little choke clear, slide down, trigger, holster, range, clear, time. Are you ready? Stand by. Nice! If you finish that little slide down, trigger. Are you ready? Stand by. Over! If you finish on low, show clear. Slide down. Are you ready? Stand by.
There we go. Ooh.
Bottom. Top. Over. If you finish on low, show clear.
I did that too.
I didn't do that. I just ran it. I didn't.
Great. Clear. 2, 8, 9, 6. Awesome.
That was good.
Awesome.
That's good.
Are you ready? Stand by.
It's actually adding time.
This is 300.
Yeah, it's like over 1,000 really. What?
I've been knocked me already. Oh. Are you ready? Stand by. If you finish, unload and show clear, air clear, hammer. Stand by.
I think so. Yeah.
If you finish, unload. Are you ready? Stand by. Finish, unload.
That's quick.
Clear, hammer down.
Yeah. See how many bonus points there are on this match?
One,
You see it on the stage?
7. 1947.
What's that supposed to mean?
Oh well, see, it's like the dude's like this, and the chick is like this, and then they
What's the Forbidden Triangle?
Forbidden Triangle. I don't know. There'd be another dude in there.
Yeah.